was like, just that I can say and find out just briefly from you. What about Lumba would you miss the most as a friend and a brother, if you like?
Hey, I cannot speak about Lumba in a just, I mean, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. He's a brother. My brother says he's a brother, so I have to be here. It's been said over and over. It's been said that, oh, I'm not here. Something has happened to me. We have to be here. The confirmation is here, so I mean, what we can do is help mourn him, but his message and his voice stays alive.
Uncle, do you think that there was more you could have done together with Lumba as, you know, both of you were celebrated legends in the high life? No, I'm just saying that.
Listen. Okay. I am not a high life musician.
Yeah, you are very versatile.
I always say it. Yeah. Don't personalize it. Okay. Right now, we are mourning my brother. Okay. We cannot speak about there were things we could have done.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. And stay strong too, like all of us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good. I deepest condolences.